how to plan your insurance policy using the modern astrology. We know today so many insurance companies, so many insurance policies. Actually, the insurance company any day not lost because they are reinsurers, they are risk to the another reinsurance companies. So, but we know practically people not use the modern astrology to plan the insurance policy. This is the mistake of all clients, insurance client. So according to the modern astrology, if you take the real consultation from the super number one modern astrologist, he will point out what kind of diseases will come to this life, and the same what are the dangerous, that means death also can happen like that, partial disable, accident, everything is properly explained. Death also they are explaining. So what kind of death is a natural death or the accidental death, everything they are explaining. I am talking about modern astrology, not astrology or numerology or whatever. I am talking about modern astrology. Okay. Today we know the main problem. Suddenly, cancer attack, cancer, leukemia, so many sicknesses attack. Not only the life insurance policy, you should think about the insurance, the health card, insurance card, health card, normally internationally using health card. Must think about that. What are the sickness can come to your body is the modern astrology is properly measuring. According to that, you can plan your insurance policy. Today, practically what is happening? Insurance agent will come to you and talking something about insurance policy. It is a one package. How much is the premium? How much monthly payment? You will be saying, okay, this is okay. But you don't know what is the problem in your life. Sickness, which kind of sickness will come to you? That means your death is a natural death or accident death. So disabled how can come to you? So these all facts, without thinking about these all facts, you will be go to choose an insurance policy. It is totally wrong choose. So you will be lost, but insurance company will be win. They are taking profit. So today, practical modern astrologer, I am saying to the public, so you want to plan an insurance policy, you should go to the modern astrological consultation. That only you can take the successful insurance policy. Thank you very much.